Introducing the 2014 Chrysler Town & Country. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include cruise control, voice-activated navigation, a power liftgate, blind spot sensor, removable floor console, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate, no matter how far the drive. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.